Dear brother, here are the most powerful quotes from the animal kingdom. 1. Lion. Roar with confidence like a lion. Believe in your power. 2. Eagle. Rise above challenges like an eagle. Your perspective can change everything. 3. Wolf. Work together like wolves. Strength comes from unity. 4. Cheetah. Chase your goals like a cheetah. Speed and determination lead to success. 5. Fox. Be clever like a fox. Adapt and find your own way to thrive. If you want to know more, follow us or you might never see us again.